ये इशू गालू से वोटर ना जाजेंग मा CA ni bidingo aro uniform civil code ni bidingo यार नहीं गमन मम्मा नासुंग इको discuss कमा campaigno आगा नमा aro there's a saying that India will be a one nation one election and one party Hindu Rashtra ni agan toka यार नहीं bidingo rango dakarang issue rang ukata man ni campaigno
very much yeah those here rangan ansini normality ko abnormal khana ba bill rang whereas Congress they wa jat gumukon thorum gumukon respect khate do nahi the one nation one election uni jamande one language ni bako bisonga kaniga okay Hindu rashtra ni bako kaniga so golmal khana kenani 100% no mana ansungo culture rang banga we've got lots of ethnicity so uni gaman warang ko respect khana katana that way yenit po ansungo bangprata hinduan bangprata dalo rajasthani or plus gujarati himachali or jaman keralian tamil bisongan hindus kan bisongni ideology ko respect kana nani ni maine ideology ko bisongan namnitcha okay nobody likes the idealistic movement actually so that way people are scared and then there is a fear that they might have to do away with their own culture so definitely dao chaya campaign manderang na yag mukon me sokat na wiat na jothon ka aro yan khakhet mamung ba tholani dongja chingna batte anching garus na batte achkrang na batte wi bat ka ba sing bat ka ba mani cha bat ka ba manderan khenenga ode anching de wa mangko niatte mungna maini gamen bisora khenenga sumsai mai ba reason de dongengen mai ba nam gijani de dongen so ni gamen ya gmkon game na wi mungna anching ba forai ni na ngano ye content ara maya do UCC ora mai ta ka ba content tonga CA ora mai ta ka ba content tonga just because somebody ani agana ning open jeni ba agana ni gamen bebe ra mone agan jenga de ba wa bisoni UCC ni bill ni ngau UCC ni act ni ngau mai mai ta ka ba close rang ko bisong ora do no wa close rang sa main batam de wa ke za ke ni agan bisoni sia ko nimrak ke mna agan e dong jo content ko ni nangin one by one so draft ko nami nija ha ode what is the inside that particular draft and what are the issues and what they want basa ko bode mera kana jensalo draft khainga they do it judiciously so that a common people will just skip certain clause when you skip certain clause while studying that one very dangerous okay one by one step by step you have to go through so in the long run if you don't study don't speak about it if you know about it then speak about it for example now the Conrad and their leader themselves I think they have not gone through the content of CAA they themselves are telling lies to the people that Garo Hills Meghalaya is exempted when the heart of the city the town the state itself is having the CAA then why are you purposely lying to the people of Meghalaya look at the contradictions made by Amparin herself biade CAA aro UCC ko jegal ge nagan thais khaiga taude yan chani garus de CAA ko accept khajo UCC ko problem nongjana ni sakani then Amparin is also the doctorate PhD bian jenga ha andiba I think look at the leaders from the NPP from the Garo Hills why they're supporting maybe they're blinded with some some benefit that's the reason why
Did salengi sangma donga jen tura Lok Sabha seat na susainga NPP ni agata sangma baksa jeni sangma TMC ni aru independent laben marak baksa hamatela chung baksa donga na markum election na campaigner dal de last day na sungma ken kinga ground ko
we have done our duty to apprise the people so manderang ko makrakat na tatsinga Garo Hills ni tang area rang si katamrang si remna jothon ka makrakat na ta in the meantime beben sokte sokcha ha so wa sokki jagba manderang ko banga khumong na ta ro khema biat nang taska maina andi banga bebera chingni message rang very clear wa ha daw anchini indian ni o mera ko ba sinjeta ni rang ko mani gacham so now it's the people's choice unless and until they want to make a difference is Bishoni's Kasawai.
Nangni agano people's choice. What does people's choice nangni muksoni tisa agano mengko?
Oe, iko aganingon talo actually India ni ngaho obosta ohon nakenga. Like Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Manipur, and then moreover, my bani, yeah, Prasan Bhushan, Jian BJP ni, Ukil Ngacham, advocate. He said that they are getting ready to make the another, Manipur. What it means by that, we don't know. So we have to be careful and ready to, make it a change.
Nangni Manipur ne agano de Manipur jian conflict between two communities, Meiteis as well as Kukis. So, nadak bani ko ba jajengani ko naking amane kan sing notice to ba gapon state no ba nangni aganani kita de.
Yes, definitely. Mena Prasan Bhushanam clearly mentioned in his speech, saying that they are getting ready for the another Manipur. So unigaman bini message rango clear on enkani jamano plus je khai ansuni Assam mo or Christian nani kosako senjata ni rong koninga. So ukon kani jamande, it seems like the message is very very clear. And then moreover, ansuni the present government ba NPP government ba bisung ba CAA dongja plus tau nyate ni bo CAA thura mana mo dongja ni thole mana ndi bo CAA thura mana uni kosako government ni kita municipality lang expand khana menga whereas reduce khani pal so that we judging ani rang donga my objective po my intention no ya ko expand khana muksong ya municipality ko bate son bata tani pal nyate ni bo so ni man onchi judging ani rang donga je kita bisung kham khabainga penetrate khabainga it seems like their intention is getting through.
Nangni agana BJP baksa namen conflict ongya warisi monginga dau thura Lok Sabha seat de BJP de chakatchenga ndongba khale NPP donga TMC donga aru independent donga nang baksa. So how does that fall into the story?
You see, NPP itself is a BJP. Conrad himself has clearly mentioned in his speech by saying that if you vote for, book, kitab में vote करने से मोदी को power, it's like voting for Modi only. So it's very clear, NPP is BJP. You cannot deny the fact anymore.
Mijalo chief minister program में भी clear agani acham NPP de ideology donga ideology को चंदी Changsaba deviate kajawa mana ansingni ideology de nagana bisung PS angmani abat singoni creation tribals Christians minorities na protect kanasa ini bidungona mai ko agan ken.
Have you seen protecting the people from Manipur when the Christians has been slaughtered, whereas they have got 7 MLAs and then they are part and parcel of the government? Why you are lying to the people? You just cannot keep on lying to the people, okay? And then it's I don't know if you like laughing at. Can he protect any single Christian from Manipur? Because Manipur, they have got 7 MLAs who is part and parcel of the government. Did he say anything about the Manipur so far? Has any Agatha spoken about Manipur in any platform? Tell me. So that way, how can he deny the fact about the ideology actually? The BJP are having the idealistic movement. Look at the speech by CM from, what do you call this? From Assam. He has openly spoken that ye Hindu Rashtra hai aur Hindu Rashtra hi rahega. We don't want to compromise with the secular. Okay? Don't teach me about the secular. Didn't he say? It's already by route, So how can he deny the fact? He is very much, NPP is very much BJP. You see?
Now, this election or public my perception ko na adapte campaign ka jok all over the 24 constituencies garus ni donga unu na song campaign ka jok na screen my ko nakinga mai rang ko bisong agani na song na.
You see, God himself has given us a free choice. Okay? God has shown the evil and the good. So that way, it was my duty to make aware the people makrakatna mandirang ko tsari jom riaha aro mandi bang bataan response ka so that way I believe good will prevail. That's all. I just cannot say I will win or you will win, but if God wants, if people thinks they are good, then definitely. But mandirang realize kajang ode kamni kri sasti ko mangen wasan oya. Dalo Manipur jeka realize kaja bisong sasti ko manah. Dalo atseng ya atseni atsekrang aro Christian rang aro garul su dongpa plak jatrang jeka Hindu Muslim Christian hajung ongjamena rafa ongjamena atseng dalo bisong ni was senjet paing ba belko realize kajang ode haida maybe atseng realize kajang ne mai ko ba ne mana magpokatanya sel atseng iko magpoker ai dongaya ode atseng ko haida no ko ba sasti na ba dong so ni gaman atseng ne agana manja knalo mandirang mai ko rabura jabuso we have done our duty so uni gaman mandirang niska mandirang namnaka so the allo both ka khujani gaman agana manja mai ko dakha daksa so the board will decide whether they have listened or not.
Congress de 24 seats to amo MLA seats Garo Hills so MP Tura MP Lok Sabha seat na constituency ko Congress de sasan seat ama nakni constituency gambegiri NPP ge chi chet tonga aru independent press support commission ko yerang de blun challenging omong jana nakni campaign na
no it's not a challenging at all ये मामंग दके पर चैलेंज होंगे because ये 24 seats so MLA को थारी के पान public सा you got my point it's as simple as that so MP ना बा public सा vote खाएंगे so it will be again the public choice ये साक्षी चेत MLA नि vote खाओगे they will just get 18 votes only you got my point and then moreover independent vote खाओगे बिशों maybe they'll get 23 only along with their family they will get so likewise it's the common people who vote, okay? Aro common people who make the choice, and common people sa, ya mandirang sa ramram mandirang sa, MLA gemukon tharia, chief minister ko ba ramram mandirang tharia, so ni gaman bisora mai dake ramram mandirang ni kosa ko mandirang ni kosa ko mai kya kana mana bisora, mai ke dongkyu na mana, cuma 18 MLA dongan ni mana, 18 MLA ko sawo tharia, mandirang sa tharia ba. No, so it's a simple command. Look at the ego and the attitude they have actually. Yes, sakchi chet MLA ko sawa tharia, mandirang sa tharia. So ni mandirang ni views ko, mandirang ni emotion ko, mandirang ni sentiments ko respect karan again. So kanalo mandirang thario di mandirang ni skasa. And then moreover, I believe, mandirang and then okopao.
TMC ni candidate Zenith Sangmaba opposition no compete kainga nangmung to win the Tura Lok Sabha seat. Beijing ni agana kita de saleng aro Congress de dami candidate sa ba agent of the NPP mana saleng sakate mungsa opposition vote rangko divide kainga NPP na sa lap ungen yede Beijing sa benefit ungen ini bidon na mai ko agana ska.
Garo Hills ni mandirang skaun nak pengtu. Jen Salo, Jenny Chakataha, Mukul Chakataha, they were in the power. Mukul Chief Minister Wacham Jenny Chakat Matumaba, Mukul Nichavari Chakat Matumaba, Bian Chief Minister Wacham, Uno Mutung Bishwan, 21 MLA. So, Yade Menargan, it's a senseless word actually. So, Nigaman Manderang Nikoti Shipleva Viverajo. Bisoni aganas kani kita agan kana bisong they are politicians so I don't want to comment on that. So everybody has got a common sense. Come on.
Chief Minister agana niko NPP ni leader ang pamada kana upsan government on nambata ni agana Delhi BJP ode inode NDA alliance tonga upsan Meghalaya oba alo NDA alliance itself led by Prime Minister Modi agani 400 plus MPs man gen nemong here now, so that it's a very big challenge for the Congress and the other opposition parties.
Kenani dunga Congress nongja public rang. Mai ba khai 400 bisuman bibina nanga only look at the what the Hindu Rashtra said. No voting rights for Christians and Muslims. That means all the Muslims and all the Christians will be a refugee tomorrow. Very dangerous. Kenani 100% no. Not for Congress, not for candidature. I mean, not for candidates, but for the people of the India. Aro anjing kata Christian rang na Muslim rang na aro Hindu rang. Look at how smaller Hindus are being deprived of their own rights, like Jats, Adivasi, and the Dalits. In their own state, they are all Hindus, but they are being deprived from their own rights. So that way, that hierarchy will be there again in the future. So we have to be scared. Hindus themselves are scared. So why not Christian and Muslim? Mm-hmm. It's as simple as that. Samajdaro ke risaira kafi hai. So Hindu themselves are scared about their idealistic movement. Why weren't Christian and Muslim?
Aro agan tokinya CA ong jokode bangbadang ane na soni opposition side on niba that influx pong genok nemong ha mijalo TMC ni candidate present pa kana influx ongen aro badio biapa bisingo dongen niba chief minister mijalo bini program angans ka CA na applicant zero megalaya de aro jeran 2014 jani bakbre manjawa 2014 ar bonjok chapter close na kana era kakke tongama nangni kani kitade
na niatini bo bisong agani those who are getting persecuted, that means it's a present tense. You got my point? That's why I was telling them to read close by close, then you will understand the draft. I think they are so busy to study the draft also. Those who are being persecuted, it's a present tense, right? So, what it means by that? So you just cannot stop. They will keep on coming. And then moreover, they need not have to apply in the, let's say government apply karanang. I think some pujari can give you the citizenship. So, what will you say for that? So that way it's a very dangerous actually. Anybody can come tomorrow and you cannot deny.
But what about that part that 6 scheduled areas are exempted?
You see right now, our Garo Hills and Meghalaya falls under the Forest Act 2006. I mean Forest Act 2023. Netinibo. Hi, international border only 100 kilometer radius ngode netinibo crop line. Ngode actually forest in outside so. The auroro na actually headman rangni actually nokma rangni certificate cholingama. When you're asking the basic questions about the 6th schedule, power, nokmarang ni documentara cholingama office ora. Does the DC office, does the any office, does the bank certify by the nokma are accepted in the bank? Tell me. You see, when you say 6th schedule has got a power, then a single letter from the nokma should be accepted by the bank rather than the Aadhaar card. You got my point? They need Aadhaar card now. They don't need Nokma's document. Okay? Do you think any bank requires Nokma document? Tell me. They need Aadhaar card, they need PAN card, they need, election ID. So, what's the use of having the Nokma? So, unigaman da on ansani 6th schedule ko scrap kanagata iya government value kajenga. If they are valuing the 6th schedule, do you think any institutions run by the government or a semi-government, do you think they will not accept the Nokma document? Tell me. Does Nokmas realize about it? Maya kanan di mamba donation, they're just trying to fool them. It's a very true. It's black and white. Ask anybody. Nokma document rapani jamanu. If they go to the bank, will they accept it as a document for the genuineness of being part of that Nokma account? So these are the area that we have to see why we are being denied about our own rights when we are in the 6th schedule area.
Coming to election campaign, Agata Sangma, sitting MP, 3 terms ongjok, Chief Minister Bagania, government development ko bangin abajok mijal agana chief minister ba bini program aro agata ba absang ko agana under the leadership of Conrad Sangma Meghalaya dakple thangdu jok development aspects so yarang nang challenge omong jinga in your campaign.
No. You see, they're talking about the GM, where it's a program by the center-sponsored scheme. Now, look at for example, PMJSY. They're talking about the PMJSY, whereas those programs were made during the time of Congress. Look at the PMAY. It was IAY actually. Now they have changed the nomenclature. It was Indira Gandhi Awaj Yojana. Now they have changed into Prime Minister, Awaj Yojana, something like that. And then moreover, now you see, the most challenging part is that they have deduced the amount. This particular BJP has already reduced the amount, Komiatso, 35% from the MGNRGS, and then 50% from the education department. Look at the Nirmala Sitaram's finance budget this time. Look at them. Haven't they gone through the, budget? Now, we are talking about Ansani MITPD. It was sanctioned during the time of, at least during the time of Congress, not during their reign. Look at Chanmari. Chanmari was also sanctioned long way back, but they have taken the credit because it was their government. Any government will definitely follow up. Government will take the credit, but it was not done by them. Yansani PS Sangma Stadium ba Baritaba, I think 100 crore something they sanctioned even before they came into being also. So Nigaman Yakudi Bishon additional fund code Nisa on Dapagaka. So Maiko loan Rapreta. Meghalaya has borrowed lots of money, loan from the New World Bank, from the ADB, from everywhere. Now we are in a debt trap. Okay, look at the CAG report. I need not have to tell. I think you might have gone through that. We are in a red zone area. I believe so. I think I have the, still the thing, that CAG report is still there with me. We are in the red zone area. You can go through it also. You can see what the CAG has already informed about the present situation, about the financial.
That means nangni agam soni today Meghalaya government is jamana namin Meghalaya ne problem ginok mana loan rainga gumokoni kon loan rainga yes scheme na ya project na jamande repayment ni problem ginok.
The burden will come to the public, automatically. What are the resources that we have in Meghalaya? How many industries do we have? What other natural resources do we have? 1, 2 we have, but the thing is that it is run illegally. That's why it's not going to the government's exchequer. That coal I'm talking about. And then all the illegal, yesterday also 2-3 sugar, crushed in that, somewhere in Dimapara. So look at those illegal things when it is happening. Then do you think any productivity which was supposed to go to the government's exchequer will go to the government? No, it will go to the some individual only. So that way, we are in a ruining situation right now.
Meghalaya at the most lowest in the development index ba TM Shirang Mijo agan talkinga yara kathang BBM.
I think you might have already seen in the India's report itself. We are the most corrupted. We are at the top when you talk about the most corrupted. When you look at the education, we are at the lowest. Whereas before, we are at least, we corruption in and around the top 10 area. But now, we are at the lowest zone area, even in the education sector. So that way, I think I need not have to tell about the corruption and then the development also. Now, when you talk about the challenging, just look at 704 crore was already sent back. Now you see the capacity and the capability of the government right now. Why they have sent back the money from the NHRM? Okay, why? That's the Sasni Bri crore ko iya government kangalang na khasa ngodi ya hospital lang non gapako ongen sim uku return katpla crore hazar sa chabri sanction ochum Ansani Kangalangna. Niba Meghalaya de Kuro Chasniko, Mina Zakala Vija, and the Kuro Chasni Brico de Onatpla. De Kangalanga Kasa, or the Manigamania Tanko Zakala Changza, Chang Zakala Jama, Changjama, Ma Manigaman Zakal Zekura. Return Katpla. Our Kuro Hazalbri Chabis of Mongako, 많이 그만 작을자 많이 그만 인디아 아저니 메갈라 리턴 카플라 오케이 많이 그만 리턴 카플라 이야 CAG 리포트 니코 니보 느까이게 400 하잘브리 르차브리 솥봉아 당하고 리턴 카플라 이야 very much government 니아테니 뭐 엔디데 엔디바 야니 팔로 론 당하고서 작할리가 와 자이카나 자이카 론사 니아테니 뭐 알아 자이카니 카메랑 코나 메케 카잉가 가징가 public rangan masinga loan de rainga kam de khainga ini ba project rang ko tharion ye project rang ara genuinely benefited ong mong jenga ma manderang ikude ma si jenga niateni bo aro dao corporation mang pratte kulejo achani meghalaya o department an bangjan nakphali dongja maybe around 50 plus ini ba firm de ye racha sa kolgar kani ye private firm dang le maini gamen ye private firm rang ko outside ni koran den ra baimna bisona tangha ni dongenga achani Meghalaya government ma bisong ba benefit man phainga menoniko individually we don't know so ningaman these are the issues that we have to look at so ningaman wa gam khansang nagta nangen khangalang na mai ko dakchok chana tini bo dalon ya tini bo o thebrong gi gaman siang emna rongarachi mai ba khoi nugrat khaya doniana banu mai ko dakchok nya tini bo mija work swalana o central ni sponsor scheme dongachim wa figure mission ga parang tani mai ko dakchok wijaju uni jamano milk machine ka ba dunga ya milk machine ko ra bari da sak khangalang na ha garus ni khangalang na ha dalo NPP ni phun ka parang no jokma bisung bas eni bo bari ta ba crore cha dunga ino ya milk machine na bari ta sak na machu jalna kata ya government no ra ajkrana kha sama sana sano na ha sawa na ha dalo niate ni bo bari ta sak anga garus gemukni kwa kanjinga ndi ba NPP na phun ka parang ba donga manderang jerangan bisoni agana ni gemen bisoni makmalata ni gemen phun acham ndi ba ya manderang ara mai ni gemen manskaja daru dalo mungsa agania unemployed ko bisong curb kana gata niahana aru ni jamano bisong de 200 in and around 30 plus rang ni gata khamko onahana to niatinira kamachiko niatenura bisoniwa mai me takbo khamuna kamko dakinga iko carb kana gata nura mai doksuna MG energies ko share focus plus ko share daga odi ye MG energies ko kana nara mai na ngen graduate ko nangen ma niatenibo ichi carb kaiga how can you lie the people mai kinara carb kaiga MG energies niatenibo MG energies ko nade congress rangni design ka de merak chukna ye BPL manderang 송호동파 manderang 제랑한 가만 파자 오케이 그텀고 데벨롭 칸 박사바 at least 메롱 메추 브리 자치나 알람라 하지라 답고 버서 놓아야 참 우쿠멍멍바 예 NPP 제안달로 아로 예 BJP 니아테니보 예 BJP government 메락 쪽은 35% 컷가 니아테니보 묵부에면 강갈랑 놓나 니아테니보 나가오네 mai da kia MJ Najis nara MJ Najis ko khaira nara wa khangalang khora nara kamna carb khatna mangen aru khangalang ni bisokora ira tholong jengama just because we are simple and we think we are so naive about it so nigaman why you have to keep on lying to the people aru look at block ko inugret ka ye block ko net po sak gisa ba bangsa longja elections kang dakpre thola block ko ira thol gapali dra saman dire
Lepas nak ni konstitusi blok kuliah akan bergetal.
Blok.
Pura Kasia area nak ni konstitusi.
Ang ni konstituensi yang jauh de Salman Para. konstituensi sa blok ko kuliah. Aro nak ni kini blok pa dong kuja mamangan dong kuja no. Mamang ko nak naman sa. Mai ni kaman nakle thola public rang kura. Ma public garus ni public rang nama ni kaman nakle cabuk nas kama. Ma bisong ra daw ko take jenma ko rememna thola mena wa na ni ribbon ratte mena khali mandirang ko ullu banai mena chana rangnas kama and you should not cheat the people na mandirang many kaman sit kaya wa ni ateni bo mai ba khoba ichi siju khoba mamung ba khamba dongja phangsa matta bari bani bo mamung ba dongja uni jamano ya na ni kharkuta chigo ni ateni bo
Ya blok rang
we gesa blok mong ba phangsa dongja brother ni ateni bo da not even a single block mai ni kaman mandirang ko thoginga nakple mai ni kaman thoginga aro niarang ko dakemna chakstape tholle sa dongai thola lying so many gaman ya government ara mande ko thola skinga ade dakple khamni gaman aga no de ya block ko phangsla no poda aro na mande rang na khasa ko din residential school already Congress ni chasungo sanction ongang parang already matam de complete onga. Mai ni kami ko functional no chenga. Ansung de education pengen down ba. Building de nen nongai nga. Mai ni kami ya school lang ko functional no cha manjenga tangka banga ko dia kaninga. Ndi de ya rang ko ran kanara mai na tangka dongjenga. Tangka banga ko dia kaninga focus plus song tangka swalgena. Ndi de asa wakarang na mai na dorma honjenga. Bariat jenga. Asa wakarang de front wakar ba. When we are talking about the infant mortality rate and the women's mortality rate, they are the front worker. Asarang mijao dor mahana dabi pa asarang dor maho bisongana increase kana kata mai baka approve ka kaja. Uni zaman anggan madi madam rang jerangan at least songko noko ni pai ngachim bisarang ko ni ngachim daw kata ke nutritional benefit ko wa bisarang no na kata we talk about the infant mortality rate so uni kemun warang ko carb kana kata bisona mai tak ba mai ba ko ninga dor marang ko ni hazal gni chim daw di merong package on mo na ba mai ke ongde kaket ngemen bisona ready kir kana man gen skang ba bisongon address kaching boda so manu dunga dang na kaket ko akan mo to aro kangalang na kasa ongde netini bo daw maini gemen daw kata ke ansengara 7 pay commission ko dalo na kang ignore kaing tangka bangong they are talking about money develop then why they are so scared to come to the conclusion about giving the 7 pay commission why they are so scared they are gonna it's a simple common sense why government is scared to give the 7 pay commission to increase the salary of the common people. It's a simple common sense. You have to just use the common sense. Asa worker na tango jenga dormaha bai bacha. Aro how many government LP schools are being sincerely looked into? People has to look at. So unasa yarang ko election matungo aganja ngode they don't get aware. Salary we cannot make a change because they are given 5 years mandated by the people themselves. So we cannot change it. Mandirang sobarang akan election usahakan. The election is the only platform where we can make a differences.
Inflation ba problem ngema? Mandir maina TMC yang ba mijau aganinga dam longin batchok komok essential commodities ni bidingo. Nasun de Congress ni ikode knade dongja ma campaign on nasun ini bidingo aganarang dongan cuma?
You can see very much. I think YouTube wrong but kengen. Merong paket sani dam. Okay. Hajira babarija, dormaha babarija, mamang babarija, indiba bosturang ni dam baria. Mai bosturang ni dam baria. Meng kolgrek keni bosturang ni dam baria. Domestic bosturang ni dam. Jeko na day to day nanga. Merong ni dam, dal ni dam, to ni dam, gas ni dam, look at rasan ni dam, tomato ni dam. Na jeko na daily requirement nanga, wag mekon dam bariata. Meng kolgrek ni bostu ni, meng kolgrek ni items ni ateni. O bostu rang ko bariata. To kangalang merong paket sao hajar sa sep kana mangencem. Totality ko nyata ngode kangalang at least hajar gani batede jauh sep kana mangencem. Unode bisong masak ko ban thani demecek sana, pasok ba admission nangana, pasok ko ban tangdang sana, at least gua tangka ko sep kana mangencem. Dauri iya government na kangalang na kasay mana iya dakapa naningini sana nirang ko ba sep kanirang ko kangalang na choice ko ninga ma unjajok choice an dongjajok tawde because they have to whatever they are getting for the ends meet they have to spend everything they could not save anymore so it's a fact we are talking the fact can they talk the fact
Last question. Some competition again in this election.
competition
Oh, voting dong ya salgani ni gisepon. Nangni nearest contender, nangni biggest challenger as hongen. Will it be TMC ni ma, Zenit Sangma ma, Labin Marak from an independent ma Agata Sangma of the NPP.
No, I don't see anybody a challenge for me. So it will be a challenge for the people only. So, Pangna Naganonga, we fight our fight. We don't fight their fight. So we try to make a differences with the people, not with them. I'm not fighting With Agatha, I'm not fighting. With TMC, I'm not fighting with Laben. I'm fighting for the people. So my focus is for the people. So if people thinks we are able, let the people. So the most challenging is the people, whether we can penetrate the people's mind about the truth. So it's the people. It's not them.
Kadungay ma na backing dongi ni mong public ni.
100% at least we are getting all the blessings from the, whether we win or lose, I'm telling you, but we have won the people's heart. So I've got the blessings from above, and then I want to thank all those people who has already believed in me, faith in me, so I will not let them, you know, bisoni faith, bisoni kadongani ko mamu salubanga bison ko may bakana so I will definitely do something about it, whether I win or lose. So that's the other thing. Diba manderang ang baksong ha ang anak sa kadong ha aron dak bison na bitsakani ko takinga, and then we have won the fight already.
Thank you so much.